I put my heart in this, stayed up late nights for this. I put my pride in this, man I would die for this. I put my heart in this, stayed up late nights for this. I put my pride in this, man I would die and I would die for this. Shed so many tears, shorty all over the years. Yeah baby I done cry for this. Cause I put my heart in it, I put my heart in it, baby.
So, this is the person I was telling you about that I'm close to. This is my older brother. This I'm one that does the music with me. So, the topic was hardships in our life. Like, do you feel like you can talk to people about it? Or do you feel like it's part of your journey or part of your purpose in life? So, I want to get the sound licking. So, I actually wanted to have this conversation with him to talk a bit about what he feels on this topic of hardships. Like, is there things he went through in his life that he feel like he could talk to someone about it? Does he believe in therapy, or does he think like you should keep your hardships to yourself and struggle on your own? Like, what is your view on it? Like, what do you think?
First of all, therapy don't work. Fuck therapy.
Why do you think therapy don't work though?
Talking to a stranger, discussing your problems.
Did I not say the same shit? I said the same shit.
The best way is, if you have someone closer to you, someone you can trust with all your secrets. I don't know, it can be a sister, a brother, close family member, a friend. But to pay for someone to listen to your problems,
Doesn't make sense.
not for the wallet though, don't make sense.
Stop it. Get some help.
Now, in your hardships that you face in your life, do you believe it was a part of your purpose, your life journey, or do you just feel like you were just placed with struggles that was unnecessary? How do you feel about that?
The key to immortality is to live a life worth remembering.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay,
So,
that's dope.
hardships, stumbling blocks, bumps in the road, it's all part of life.
All part of it, right?
If you don't have hardships to go through, you don't stumble, you don't fail. What's the point of going through life? You know what I mean? So, yeah, I think hard life is the best life. To be honest.
Do you think it was part of your purpose, like everything you've been through?
Purpose is inevitable, so yeah, I definitely think it was part of the purpose. Growth in life, it's a definite.
I just one more question actually to ask, because this topic is very deep. Is there like one specific hardship you went through where you felt like the world just left you out in the cold, and you felt like the universe did you wrong?
Yeah, that's gonna have to go deeper than that. We're gonna have to sit longer than what we sit in here for to give you an answer to that.
But just like give us the one hardship like that you went through. You don't have to express everything you went through, but just that one hardship that you believe that the universe has left you out in the cold. What was it?
I believe it was thinking that you were alone in something when you're not.
So what did happen?
Uh,
You can say it. It's a charge free zone.
Well, how can I say? Going through something when alone, you thought you never had help. Yeah, there was a lot of situations, but the baddest one for me was definitely my drug abuse. So yeah, that was one of the biggest things in life going through. Well, not take long discussing this, but yeah, that was one of my hardships, the hardest thing I ever went through. Coming off drugs and all that shit. So yeah, if you have ever experienced that before in your life, and you're still going through it, you're still a recovering addict, my best thing is don't hide it.
The eyes, Chico. They never lie.
Be open about it. Talk with someone that can understand you, and it's coming from your you know, your perspective. You know, just find someone that you can trust and someone that can help you, you know, guide you on the straight road. You know, can give a lot of pointers, but yeah, this is not what we're gonna. That's not why we're here. This is a short talk, but
Like I do appreciate the conversation. Like I said, guys, leave comments. Join in the conversation.
we should definitely do more like this, you know.
Yeah, we definitely will do more. And I do appreciate you. Like I said, peace to you. Peace is needed within you. See you in the next video.
Shake is on the beat, nigga, bring the heat.
Real nigga when a nigga slide through. Smooth coming out, Mike Jack moves. Niggas talking what it do, what it do. I need proof, I need proof. Real spitter when a nigga slide through. Kill the beat, then I'm making my move. Niggas claiming nigga harder than you. I need proof, I need proof. Real nigga when a nigga slide through. Smooth coming out, Mike Jack moves. Niggas talking what it do, what it do. I need proof, I need proof. Real spitter when a nigga slide through. Kill the beat, then I'm making my move. Niggas say nigga harder than you. I need proof, I need proof. Ay. Niggas claim they ready for a showdown. When we show up, then we show out.